Hello everyone, it's Roshni here from Something Creative Today, and I'm happy to announce that I'm a part of Expression Craft design team for the month of April to June, and I'm super excited and happy to be a part of this wonderful team. So today I will be unboxing my DT kit that I got from Expression Craft, but before that I would like to share uh, a bit of detail about myself. So, my name is Roshni, and I'm from Kolkata. And I've been crafting for around 5 to 6 years now. And I used to love art as a kid, and I still have a lot of certificate from from my school days that I used to get for my artwork, for projects, and stuff like that, for drawing. So I was always an artist, and I don't know, it is art is kind of a de-stress for me. It is very relaxing and soothing, so I just love doing it. um, there isn't any particular field of art or craft that I like not I just love exploring new things. So uh, I like making scrapbooks and 3D projects. Then I also like doing decoupage and working with resins, and I like doing mixed media as well. So there isn't any one particular thing that I like to do. I like to do a lot of stuff, and anything new that I see, I just feel very intimidated, and I feel like trying it out, and I just love exploring and creating something new today. Like every day, I feel like I should do something. I just should just get up and try doing something new and making something really beautiful and nice. So there's a lot of stuff that I've done, and I hope in the future I'll be able to do a lot of more new stuff. So that's all about me. So now let's just unbox this super huge and heavy box. So as you can see, it's this big and this heavy. So we'll be just unboxing this, and I'll show you all the products that I've got from Expression Craft. So just put box aside. So let's start with the stencils. So these are the designs for the 6x6 stencils. Isn't it pretty? Then one, this is like a leafy design. I loved this one, and I'm planning to use this first for my project. Then there are small stencils which are, I think, 4x6. So these were 6x6, and these are 4x6. So there's this wave kind of pattern. Then there's this dot, and this is the last one. So this is all the stencils. Now let's move to the chipboards. There's a huge variety of chipboards that I've received. I'll start with the bigger pieces first. So this is a really intricate and beautiful chipboard. You can see the details. It's like a lace pattern, or you can use these as tiles. So it is really detailed. That's one. Then we have this loft theme chipboards. So there are couples, and there are also words like true love and sweetheart, in love. There are hearts, and you can actually color them and look really cute. You can use these in any love related project, like Valentine's Day projects or anniversary or things like that. Then we have these alphabets. There are A to Z as well as numbers, and also signs like @ hashtag. Then there's this honeycomb pattern, great for backgrounds. There's this heart laces. You can even cut them apart and like stick separate hearts everywhere. Then there's another lace pattern. I just loved this one. It looks so pretty. Then we have these feathers. Isn't it pretty? Okay, this is really cute. This is a kitchen themed chipboard. So it says, "You are my perfect mix." So and just look at the details, how intricate and how detailed this shader is. I don't know what you call this. So just look how detailed it is. So it's really detailed and really cute. Then we have these leaves, which I think, okay, which I think is really pretty. Uh, then we have this steampunk type gears. Then we have some small chipboards like this butterfly. So I think, okay, there's a set of 2 butterflies, a smaller one and a bigger one. Then the sentiment, "Be yourself." Okay. Then again we have these really cute small flowers. We have some more numbers. So it will be great for a mixed media project, like if you make a background by sticking these numbers. Then we have star. I don't know why, but this kind of reminds me of a baby album that you could use this for. Then we have this frame. It is like a bark kind of thing, and it's a set of 2, I think. So those are all the chipboard, you can see. So let me just put this aside as well. Now let's move to the sprays. So there's a chestnut, which is a brown, a white, a blue, a yellow, okay, a royal blue and a midnight blue. So there are 2 blues, a yellow, an orange, and that's all. So you can see these are 60 ml bottles, really cute, and you can see how nicely it is packed. So you won't it hopefully won't leak while shipping. So it's really very nicely packed, and it's also labeled very nicely. So these are the sprays. Now let's move to the paints. So there are these really gorgeous chalk paints. Just look at the colors. There are greens and pastels, and I just love them. So this is all the chalk paint that I've got. It is like 9 pieces. I just loved these pastel shades. So it's like a peach, and then what is this baby pink, and I also loved this purple. Just look how gorgeous these colors are. I'm feeling so excited to work with these. And then there's a yellow, and then this sweet pea and aquamarine, and then this blue, and there's orange and a pink. I like this shade as well, cotton candy, and then coral peony. So those are all the chalk paints. I just love the shade of them. While we are doing this, let's move to the paints. These are metallic paints. So There's five or six of them. Okay. There are eight of these metallic paints. I'll just put this aside. There are eight of these metallic paints. So I'll just turn it around so you can see the shade. Okay, they also have a name. So this is a mermaid song. This is unicorn pink. Then there's this golden. Just turn this around. Just look at the colors. I am in love with it. If you ask me, this is my favorite color. I don't know why. I just love this color. I love all outfit of this color as well. So I just love this. Is jingle shells. So this is my the favorite color. I don't think I'll be able to even use these. And they're so pretty. I love this purple as well. Just look at this. Let me just open one and I'll show you. Finish. These are really metallic. Just look at this. I hope you can see the sheen. Did you see the shine? So it's a really gorgeous metallic color. So that's 8 of them. Now let's move to one of my favorite products, which is these art stones. So you get it in a pack of 4. So this is the biggest size, that is Deco Stones Mega. This is the medium size, this is the mini size, and that is the micro size. So that's the Deco Stones. I just love them. Now let's move to the glitters. So these are the 3 glitters. Okay. So these are the 4 glitters. I'll just quickly show y'all. This is Rainbow Sparks. It is like a greenish tinge to it. Then this is Fairy Dust. It has a bluish tinge to it. Okay, and this has small, fine as well, bigger chunky glitters as well. Then this is Alaska Gold. This is my favorite glitter. It's so pretty, isn't it? And this is the last one. It is Premium Glitter. It is it gives like a snow kind of effect. This is also really nice. I loved all of them. And just look at the packaging, it's so beautiful. There is also this included, like another cap, so you don't spill your glitters everywhere. Then there are 2 gessos. So this is a heavy black and a heavy white gesso, and just look at the size of the jar. It is 300-gram jar. If you can see, it is not even fitting in my hand. It is bigger than the palm of my hand. It's so big. It is a really huge and a really nice jar. So if you are a mixed media artist, this is a must for you, and the size is really good. Then there are other mediums like gel medium matte and gel medium gloss. So those are the 2 mediums. So then there's this crackle texture paste. This is also 300 gram. You can see how big this jar is. Then there's this texture paste, 300 gram again. So it is an opaque matte. And after that, I forgot to show you all these flowers. So these are the flowers. These are all handmade flowers, and all of them have a leaves with them. So usually when we buy mulberry flowers, we need to buy the leaves separately. So these, all of them already have leaves in them, so it's really convenient. And as you can see, the type of leaf is different for all of them. So there's this sunflower, this blue one, then there's this, then this one. It also has two buds right here and leaves as well. And you can also even color these, like you can use sprays and you can color these white flowers. And the last one, this is my favorite. It is like a pink and a red toned. Again, there are leaves also included, and there are some pearls in the center. So these are the flowers. And now let's move to the last and my favorite product, and the one which I am most excited to use, and that is this sculpture text. So what this medium does is it hardens fabric. So you can make sculptures out of fabric. Like you need to just dip the fabric in this sculpture text and squeeze the excess out, and the way you shape your fabric, once it is dried, it will harden and become that shape. So I've not tried it yet, but I am super excited to try this product. So this is a gray sculpture text. So this is my favorite and the one which I'm most excited to work with. And there's also a pack of fabrics that I got. So this is the fabric pack which has 3 fabrics: a burlap, a fine cotton gauze, and a grey cotton cloth. So one is this, and I'll just open it like this and see. This is the gauze that you usually use, and there's this fine cotton fabric. I loved this fabric, so I'm gonna mostly make something with this. So this is the 3 kind of fabrics that is available. You can also use other fabric with your sculpture text. So that's all. I hope I didn't make it too long, and I hope you all enjoyed it. I simply loved my DT kit. It's so huge, it won't even if I put everything together, it won't even fit inside my frame. So that's the chipboard there. So it's a huge and a really nice DT kit. So I'm looking forward, and I hope I can make some project to inspire you all. So bye bye, and see you with the next post.